Alright, installing my the defrost duct. For starters, what I'm going to do is there's the 3 screws. Alright, one on the top right, top left, and then one at the bottom. So I'm going to take these screws, and I'm going to, got some putty string, and I'm going to wrap the screws just a little bit so that when they screw in, they seal. Alright, doesn't take much, just a little bit. And cut the screws, and then we'll use these to screw into the dash. And then to install this thing, I go through the glove box. Screw on the upper right. And then screw on the left side. That's on the left side of the vent. So, like for example, it's not behind the gauge clusters. Right in here. And one at the bottom, don't forget your washer. That's kind of there. I'm going to pause it now. I'll tighten up the screws. Alright, screws are in, nice and tight. And then you want to double check the screws on the inside. So we've got coming out of the dash. There they go. Alright, you've got one right here. Okay. See it? I can't see it in the screen, but anyway, so it has putty around it. So just give it a little dab with your finger and push that putty around it so the water doesn't get in. And then the other one is right here. Alright, so we got putty in there. And then the next one is on the firewall. Hey, firewall right here. Alright, so you can see the putty that's on there. So it came out, so just squeeze around it. And get a seal. And now you can see these better here. There. And right there. Alright, so just make sure those are sealed, and